Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases for FPV drone enthusiasts, the DJI Avata 3. DJI's latest offering promises to push the boundaries of what we expect from FPV drones, especially with its major upgrades in flight. Performance, camera quality, and overall stability. Is it the game changer we've been waiting for? Stick around as we explore all the exciting new features and see how it compares to its predecessors and rivals. The evolution of the DJI Avata series. What's new? The DJI Avata 3 is the newest model in DJI's lineup, and it's already generating significant buzz among drone fans and aerial cinematographers. If you've been keeping up with DJI's FPV drone series, you'll know the Avata 2 made waves with its smooth flying experience and cinematic capabilities. But with the DJI Avata 3, the stakes are even higher. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed the release date yet, industry insiders are predicting a launch window between late 2025 and early 2026. Speculation suggests the Avata 3 will feature several improvements, including a larger sensor for better image quality, longer battery life, and enhanced obstacle avoidance systems. These upgrades are expected to elevate the immersive flight experience, which has been a hallmark of the Avata series. Pricing and expected features. Is it worth the investment? Given DJI's pattern of releasing major FPV drones every 2 years, the price of the Avata 3 will likely reflect these significant upgrades. Early projections place the base package price between $1,200 and $1,500, which would include the drone, a battery, and the FPV goggles. If you're looking to add more accessories like upgraded goggles, extra batteries, or AI-enhanced features, you can expect the cost to rise closer to $2,000. While this price range would position the Avata 3 as a premium FPV drone, the added features such as AI-powered flight assistance, enhanced camera quality, and improved transmission systems make it a compelling choice for both professional filmmakers and serious drone enthusiasts. FPV goggles and controller, a more immersive experience. One of the standout upgrades of the Avata 3 is the inclusion of DJI's new FPV Goggles 3. These goggles promise higher resolution, better brightness, and ultra-low latency for a more immersive flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the goggles are designed to deliver an enhanced visual experience. Additionally, the new NextG motion controller is expected to offer improved precision, haptic feedback, and AI-assisted stabilization. This controller is perfect for those who enjoy a more intuitive flying experience. Traditional remote options with customizable buttons and adjustable sensitivity may also be available for pilots who prefer more manual control. Flight performance and stability, a smooth ride for every pilot. The DJI Avata 3 is engineered for speed and precision. With a top speed of 60 mph in manual mode, the drone is ideal for adrenaline junkies looking to push the limits of FPV flight. But don't worry, DJI has ensured that even beginners can enjoy a smooth experience with the drone's refined stabilization algorithms, which guarantee rock-solid stability during both fast maneuvers and leisurely flights. Enhanced wind resistance and an advanced altitude hold system further contribute to its ability to perform in challenging conditions. Whether you're shooting high-speed action shots or just enjoying the thrill of the flight, the Avata 3 ensures you have a stable and responsive experience. Design and durability, built for action. The Avata 3 is expected to feature a more durable design, with a focus on agility and lightweight construction. DJI may incorporate a carbon fiber or reinforced composite frame, providing a perfect balance between strength and flight efficiency. This design is not only lightweight but also impact-resistant, making it a great option for FPV racing or freestyle flying. Moreover, DJI is rumored to redesign the signature ducted propeller guards to reduce drag, enhance maneuverability, and improve airflow. This could give the Avata 3 a more streamlined look and feel, making it even more aerodynamic for high-speed flights. With a modular, repair-friendly design, pilots can easily swap out damaged parts such as arms and propellers, minimizing downtime after crashes. Battery life and charging. Fly longer, charge faster. Battery life has always been a critical aspect. For drone users, especially for content creators who need to maximize flight time during shoots. The Avata 3 comes equipped with a 2500mm battery, offering up to 25 minutes of flight time, an improvement over its predecessor. With a more efficient power consumption system, this drone allows for longer flights, giving you more time to capture stunning aerial footage. The upgraded charging system now supports faster charging speeds, significantly reducing downtime between flights. This makes the Avata 3 even more reliable for professional shooters or drone racers who need continuous, high-quality aerial footage without frequent interruptions. Intelligent flight modes. Making filming effortless, DJI has refined the intelligent flight features on the Avata 3, which makes it more versatile for a variety of shooting scenarios. The inclusion of automated cinematic flight paths means that even amateurs can create professional-grade footage with minimal effort. Additionally, features like return to home and emergency brakes add a layer of safety, ensuring that your drone can recover from unexpected situations. The improved GPS tracking and obstacle avoidance system will also assist pilots in maintaining stable and controlled flights. These intelligent flight modes ensure that both hobbyists and professionals can capture beautiful shots without worrying about losing control of the drone. Camera and video quality, capturing every moment in stunning detail. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade on the Avata 3 is its camera. Equipped with an upgraded 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, this drone offers improved low-light performance and better dynamic range compared to the Avata 2. The ability to shoot 4K video at 60 FPS and 2.7K at 120 FPS means you can achieve buttery smooth slow-motion footage, perfect for cinematic shots and high-speed action sequences. The f2.0 aperture also enhances image clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions, while DJI's new color processing algorithms provide more vibrant and accurate color reproduction. With the addition of Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady Stabilization, the Avata 3 ensures that your footage remains smooth and distortion-free, even during high-speed or aggressive flying maneuvers. Conclusion. With its advanced camera capabilities, improved flight performance, longer battery life, and AI-assisted flight features, the DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced FPV drones on the market. Whether you're a professional cinematographer or an FPV racing enthusiast, the Avata 3 promises to deliver an unparalleled flying experience.